Hello people of YouTube, this is Vincent from Wonders of London, and I'm currently in London on Old Street, which is in the borough of Islington. It's pretty much on the border of the borough of Islington and the City of London, which is known as the Square Mile. And just off Old Street there's an interesting little unassuming street, but it's got quite a bit of history, and it is known as Central Street, and it takes us to the Thistle and the City Barbican, which is a phenomenal place you must visit. But I just want to give you a bit of history connected to this particular street, which is Central Street in the London borough of Islington. And one of the things that's interesting about it is World War I. London has participated in many different wars, and just to give you an idea, from this street, Central Street, we actually had one individual, Frank Brunker, who died at the age of 23. He was killed in action on the 27th of March 1918 in France during World War I. The first Apologies, there was a motorbike going past there, but the sound was quite interesting. But in any case, just as I mentioned, he died during World War I, and it was quite an important sacrifice that he did make. And we can see Islington on some of their streets do honour their residents and people from their borough who gave their lives in the Great War, the First World War. I do hope you enjoyed that little bit of history in Islington, and I do hope you have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. And just to give you an idea of where we are and how close we are to certain areas, just in the distance over there we can see the Shard, and the Shard is of course at London Bridge. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.